Hi, this is Victoria with healthmanifested.com, and I'm here to talk to you about Mars and Aries. And Aries is ruled by Mars, and Mars is in its natural home of Aries. And this is a very strong placement. So I would recommend watching the video on Aries because it will also describe basically what Mars and Aries is like. As I mentioned, Aries is the natural home for Mars, and people with Mars and Aries, they really need to use their body. They're very competitive. They really like to win. They can be very aggressive or defensive. The placement of this Mars can make a person very dominating. They do really well in jobs related to security or military. Different planetary aspects can change the way Mars presents itself. Mars can be the more of a what I want, when I want it, kind of like I want it now. It's really a pure willpower energy. It's a very strong, assertive, it's a masculine energy. It's very very determined kind of energy. It's kind of, Aries can be somewhat of a fighter or a warrior, so to speak, which is why military and security and physical jobs would be good for somebody with this placement. And that is my explanation of Mars and Aries.